This video tutorial will guide users to key functionality of the reporting application in the Flood and Drought portal. Dissemination in the form of reports or bulletins are critical in relation to planning, as this enables the decision or policymaker to disseminate the actual plans or the background for the decision process to stakeholders. To access the reporting application, go to the Flood and Drought portal, www.flooddroughtmonitor.com. Log in using your username and password. When on the home page of the portal, click on the reporting application here. The reporting application is based on reporting templates containing a number of tags, where the user is able to specify which type of content the reporting application should replace the tags with, for example with text, charts, tables, or images. When on the main page of the application, you have two tabs, Report and Upload, which you can change between here. The Upload tab allows the user to upload the relevant text, charts, tables, or images. Click on New and input the required fields including the item name, a description of the item, the type of item, and uploading the file using the Select button here. When complete, click on Add. The new item will be added to the list. Be sure to add relevant items to the application for your specific report before you intend to create your report. After adding the new items, go back to the Report tab. Here you have several options including opening existing reports by selecting from the list, creating a new report by completing the required information including the report title, a description of the report, a template to be uploaded by clicking on Select and uploading a template you have developed with relevant tags, the frequency to which you want to receive the report, this is not required, and the alert email which will receive the report. Cloning an existing report by completing the required information including a unique report title, the workgroup in which the cloned report can be accessed, a description of the cloned report, a template to replace the existing template, this is optional, the frequency to which you want to receive the cloned report, this is also not required, and the alert email which will receive the cloned report. Editing a report and deleting a report. Keep in mind, editing and deleting reports are only available for reports that you are the owner of. When you have opened an existing report you own or created a new report, content of the report will be editable. When clicking on the edit icon for a selected tag, a new dialog opens allowing you to specify its content, including the source of the item, which is either information from the data and information application or content you previously uploaded to the system, the type of item, the item itself, and the dimensions. Clicking on Preview allows you to see the content you have selected, and clicking on Update will add the item to the report. When all tags are assigned, click on Generate here to generate the report. Once processed, you will be able to download the report in different formats here or copy the PDF link. If you have provided a frequency for receiving a report, an updated report with new information from the data and information application will be generated and sent to the alert email provided. If you would like to find out more about the reporting application, visit the Flood and Drought portal to find out more. Thank you for watching and please share this video tutorial.